So is it actually possible to 10x your investment in Tesla stock? Well, in today's video, I'm going to tell you exactly my thoughts on that. And what I mean by 10x, that means if you put $100,000 into Tesla stock, you can turn it into $1 million. So do you think that's possible? First, let me know what you think down below. You know, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just giving you my own opinion and showing you facts that I find online and really where I think companies are going. Don't forget to drop a like if you haven't liked the video yet. I would truly appreciate that. Think about subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. I make Mullen content every single day, but I also make Tesla content because I'm a big Tesla bull. So with that, let's get right into today's video. First, let's go over a $1 trillion market cap because Tesla has been there before, but they are not $1 trillion market cap anymore. They're about a $600 billion range because we've obviously seen the stock price completely come down from all-time highs after all the splits of being like 400 something bucks, right? But what this is saying is, can Tesla reach $1 trillion market cap? Well, based off this, what they're saying is that it certainly isn't out of the question according to Motley Fool's Rich Dupree, okay? But there's other things that we have to learn about. What stocks have $1 trillion market cap right now? You could see below me, Microsoft, Alphabet, and Amazon, and Apple created the club in 2018. And I have specifically seen before that Elon Musk has stated that they will be bigger than Apple. And Cathie Wood also thinks they'll be bigger than Apple. Cathie Wood actually thinks they'll get to a $5 trillion market cap, which I'll show you in a second. Another big investor has been Ron Barron. He's been invested in Tesla since 2014, and he believes that shares will continue to appreciate in the years to come. Barron issued a price target that could share similarities of famous bull case Cathie Wood, right, from Ark Invest, which I'll show you in 1 minute. But Barron said he believes Tesla can hit $500 to $600 per share by 2025. Guys, right now we're staying at 198 bucks. So if you could double or triple your investment as of right now in about 1.5 years, would you do that? That's pretty confident. So if I'm putting a large sum of money into any stock, I would probably do it in a company like Tesla, just being my own opinion. But they also say, and the company would be worth 4.5 trillion in the next 8 to 10 years. So if the company's 4.5 trillion and Cathie Wood believes it could be 5 trillion, that means the stock price will be significantly higher. Let me show you. Just so you know, this is not including robotics, which will be huge in our future. And I honestly believe that. That's not including autonomous vehicles. That's not including batteries, says Barron. Okay. So these price targets are everything without all the new stuff that's going to be coming in the next 5 years, in my opinion. Now, Cathie Wood says we can reach $2,000 per share by the year 2027. That's 10xing your money as of today's prices. You can see below me that Cathie Wood argued that Tesla stock will surge over 1,100% to $2,000 per share by 2027 as its planned robo-taxi fleet rolls out, giving the company a market cap of over $5 trillion. So the question is, do you believe Tesla can be the #1 company out there? Do you believe they can get to a $5 trillion market cap? I think it's possible. Anything is possible. We've seen some crazy things happen in the stock market. And if I was to bet on any company and I was to put in a large sum of money, now everyone that's watching this is different. Put in $1,000 bucks, put in 100,000, put in $1 million. I don't know where you're at with your financial situation, but if I was to put in any large amount of money and I could bet on one company, that company would be Tesla in the long term. They've proven themselves over and over again. Do you think they will be bigger than Apple? Elon Musk has stated that they will be bigger than Apple. Elon Musk is a very confident CEO. He's a very smart individual. He makes a lot of money. He makes more money than I make. So let's break down exactly what they think Tesla stock could be, and then you can evaluate if it makes sense for you to invest in this company. Ark's updated open source Tesla model yields an expected value per share of $2,000 in 2027. The bull and bear cases turn to the 75th and 25th percentile Monte Carlo outcomes, respectively, are approximately $2,500 and $1,400 per share as shown below. So let me show you this. The expected value that they're assuming is 2,000 bucks, okay? That's kind of like their base case. That's like what's expected. Like this will happen is what they're saying. But their bear case is 1,400. So even with a bear case scenario, are you okay getting a 700% return on your money at today's prices? So for me, when I bought Tesla the other day, I bought it at 173 bucks and I went in kind of heavier at 177, and I plan to go in heavier if certain things work the way I think they're going to work out with my other stocks. If I could get a 700% return in the next 4 years, let's say, That's absolutely amazing. Okay, and I would put my money on a company like Tesla, but their bull case is 2,500. Now that's pretty insane, and there's a 25% chance that they think that will happen. So guys, let me know what you think. Are you invested in Tesla? Do you plan to buy Tesla on Monday? Are you waiting for a pullback? Because I have shared the charts with you where a pullback can happen, but I do think we are entering the next bull run. Don't forget to drop a like. Truly appreciate it. If you want more Tesla content, let me know. See you on the next one.